Ready? Let's read a poem. Let's see if I can get some more fun giggles. Monsters. There are hungry monsters under my bed, growling at me 'cause they haven't been fed. That's what Harry McGilly said. His father just smiled and said, "Ho, ho, ho, fraidy cat Harry. Monsters are just imaginary." But Harry McGilly cried out all night, "There are hungry monsters, I know I'm right." So just to prove that Harry was silly, under the bed crawled Mr. McGilly. Harry heard a chomp, he heard a slurp, he heard a gulp, he heard a burp. And now little Harry sleeps sound in his bed, 'cause there are no monsters, as his father said. And if there are, well, they've been fed. Those are great laughs. Let's get some more. Which one should we read now?
Afraid of the dark.
Yes. I'm Reginald Clark. I'm afraid of the dark. So I always insist on the light on. And my teddy to hug, and my blanket to rub, and my thummy to suck or to bite on. And 3 bedtime stories, 2 trips to the toilet, 2 prayers, and 5 hugs from my mommy. I'm Reginald Clark. I'm afraid of the dark. So please do not close this book on me. Oh my goodness. What else do we have here? I don't even have to read it. I just look at you. Ready? Stone telling. How do we tell if a window is open? Just throw a stone at it. Does it make a noise? It doesn't. Well, it was open. Now let's try another. Crash! It wasn't. I love it. I love it. How long is this video now? 2 minutes? Let's see if we can do another one. Let's see. Let's see. Magical eraser. One talk for the magical eraser. Look at that. She wouldn't believe this pencil has a magical eraser. She said I was a silly moo. She said I was a liar too. She dared me prove that it was true. And so what can I do? I erased her. I love you. I love you. Oh my gosh, you're a giggle monster.